Hey guys, I really need to crack this Sanmai nonsense. Stainless Sanmai. So I'm just going to try something, and what I've got is some stainless steel wrapped around a piece of 01 there, and I've sent for some cast iron welding flux which I have put into that little taco. I'm just going to put a couple of tacks of weld on that, and I'm just going to see if this cast iron flux will keep the oxygen out of there. I'm just going to use it as you would borax. I'm not convinced it will work. I read somewhere that this will help weld stainless to carbon steel. Like I say, I'm not convinced, but I'm just going to try it because I'm about to have another go at a Sanmai billet. I think my failures, my previous failures, all I think it is, I think oxygen's getting into the packet. I've just about ruled everything else out, you know. It's not the heat, it's nothing. I think it's purely my welds are failing somewhere. Maybe a little tiny pinhole of oxygen and air getting in, and that's enough to, you know, stop the welding process. So let's just give that a try and see if it makes any difference. If it does, I may put some of this inside the new packet I'm welding up, but I'm going to try that as an open packet, just slathered in borax, well, in flux. No. Does not work. You can clearly say that that is a non-starter. So I'm going to have to go back to my method, which I know is successful. Just welding it up. Try again. I'm just going to weld the crap out of this and make sure no air gets in. I have just laid down a humongous bed of weld on that. There is no way any oxygen is going to get inside that. Right, so let's try it out. Fourth time lucky maybe. Or maybe fifth time lucky. Or maybe sixth. Today I've let the forge get up to temperature. Probably 1400–1500 degrees now. Normally I'll put the steel in as I'm heating, but today we're going to get everything right. The forge is going to be hot when the steel goes in, and there is no oxygen going to get in there. The whole stainless steel packet is kind of swollen up. It's probably about 3/4 of an inch wide now. It's all expanded inside. It tells me it's airtight and that no air can escape. So I'm going to go with the first pass now. Just try and tap the front together. going to make sure I work this really hot. Giving it one more on that back side. It's solid as I can, you know, I'm figuring it's pretty solid, that, but I mean all the other billets felt solid. 4 passes is more than enough to make a weld. There's no oxygen got in, it's right up to temperature. And we wait. It will stick. So this week is a good week. There is my 1095 in the centre, and it has stuck. Whoop whoop. As I started grinding I thought, no, it's not stuck, because where's my finger? You can see just there, that little crack. Well, that is where the stainless was folded over the carbon. So there's a little hole down there. There's a little hole. Yeah, there's a little hole along that rib. It's like a rib, a hollow rib, where the stainless was folded over and has been pushed out. But that, guys, is stuck. Fantastic. So this week has been a great week. I have, on my 4th attempt, managed to weld stainless San Mai. And you know, all it is, you must not allow any oxygen to get inside there, and you must get your heat up 1500 degrees. Let it soak. Maybe put it in vermiculite. Let it cool down slowly so you don't stress it as it goes cold. Anneal it properly. And there we go. Fantastic. I now have a blade. The other good news is the Boxford is fixed. I sorted out the sideways movement on it, and I will probably update you in the next video. We'll do some super beautiful smooth cutting on it. I've just got a dial gauge and there is half a thou run out on the work. I am so pleased with that, you know. The tailstock and the headstock line up perfectly. God, I'm amazed. But I'll show you that in the next vid, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons. And I will see you soon.